What is mindfulness? Intense anxiety and even panic attacks are common in people living with respiratory conditions, and practicing mindfulness is often recommended as a way to manage these feelings and sensations. But what exactly is mindfulness? Hi, I'm Sarah, the Health and Wellness Coach with Nightingale Virtual Respiratory Care, and today we're talking about mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of focusing your awareness on the present moment rather than focusing on unhelpful thoughts of the past or future. These unhelpful thoughts might be ruminating over past experiences or worrying about things that may or may not happen in the future. You can practice mindfulness by bringing your attention out into your surroundings. Try engaging your physical senses, your sense of sight, sound, touch, smell, and even taste to block those unhelpful or unwanted thoughts that try to invade your mind. Stay tuned for more Nightingale tidbits on mindfulness. Bye.